Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About s squared and s to the power of 4, we can do about factorization. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over s squared, capital B over s, and the next one we have cs plus d over s squared plus 1. Because we have s squared, so we need to have two fractions in here. So from number 2 to number 1, we just reduce the powers in here. About this one, we have s squared. So on numerator, we have s. That means we need to reduce the power on numerator from number 2 minus 1. So you got about s. And later that we need to reduce the power from number 1 to number 0 in here. Now, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s squared plus 1. So capital A multiplied by s squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s and s squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s squared. This one should be about this one. Now we need to expand s squared multiplied by s and d. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s to the power of 3, we have b and c. About s squared, we have a and d. About s, we have bs. About the number, we have a. Now, we need to compare coefficients. We don't have s to the power of 3, so b plus c equals to number 0. About s squared, we have negative number 2, so a plus d equals to negative number 2. About s, we have b, so b equals to number 1, a equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. Now, we need to find the solutions of a, b, c, d. So a equals to number 2, b equals to number 1, c equals to negative number 1, d equals to negative number 4. So we put a, b, c, d go in here. So a equals to number 2, b equals to number 1, c equals to negative number 1, d equals to negative number 4. So we can separate them in here. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 over s the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have -1/2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative number 4 orthan of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.